छी छी छी, पानी का ऐसा गंदा रूप तो मैंने देख लिया। अब ये बता, ये नेता अपने रंग क्यों बदलते?
अरे पगले, मुझसे क्या पूछ रहा है, ले खुद ही देख ले।
हमारा नेता कैसा हो?
पीके रेड्डी जैसा हो।
कैसा हो भाई, कैसा हो?
पीके रेड्डी जैसा हो।
भाइयों और उनकी बहनों, अरे हाँ, भाइयों और बहनों, आज मैं तुमसे कुछ मांगने आया हूँ।
क्या?
वोट, मैं तुमसे वोट मांगने आया हूँ। सुनो सुनो भाइयों बहनों।
अरे सर,
ये क्या हो रहा है यार?
लगता है दाल ऐसे नहीं गलने वाली।
तो फिर
हमें भी वही करना होगा जो 100 साल पहले अंग्रेजों ने किया था। अरे वही, डिवाइड एंड रूल।
अच्छा, तो ठीक है, फिर तो तुम जाओ मुसलमानों के पास।
अरे भाईजान, भाभीजान और चाचा जान, हम ये है हिंदुस्तान और हम ठहरे बेचारे मुसलमान, ऊपर से है माइनॉरिटी, तो फिर कैसे आएगी सिक्योरिटी? आज मस्जिद तोड़ा है, कल तुम्हारे घर तोड़ेंगे। अगर चाहते हो सिक्योरिटी जनाब, तो एक ही है तुम्हारा जवाब, पीके रेड्डी को दो वोट, क्योंकि ये पार्टी एक घड़ी डिटर्जेंट पाउडर की तरह है, पहले इस्तेमाल करो। कैसा था? बहुत अच्छा।
अब तुम जाओ हिंदुओं के पास।
मेरे प्यारे हिंदू भाइयों और बहनों, ये है हिंदुस्तान और हम हिंदू ही हैं इसकी पहचान। आज इन्होंने मंदिर तोड़ के मस्जिद बनाई, कल कब तक चलेगी ये लड़ाई? अगर आप चाहते हैं मंदिर बनाना, तो अपना नेता हमारे प्यारे पीके रेड्डी सर को ही बनाना।
नेताजी आए भी, लोगों का बहुमूल्य वोट भी लिया और जीतने के बाद जनता से मुंह फेरने में तनिक देरी भी ना की। आज हर नेता, हर दल सांप्रदायिकता की आग में अपनी राजनीतिक रोटी सेकने में लगा है। जिस जनता ने नेताजी को सराखों पर बैठाया, नेताजी उसी जनता पे कुर्सी समझकर बैठ गए। और तो और आज हमारे नेताजी का लाइव इंटरव्यू भी है।
आज हम बात करेंगे हमारे राज्य के नेता से। सर, हमें पता चला है कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट आपको दुर्लभ शौचालय बनाने के लिए 300 करोड़ का फंड लगा रही है।
बेटा, मन में लड्डू फूटा।
फंड का क्या है, फंड तो आता है और जाता है। शौचालय हो या ना हो, लोग कल भी जाते थे, आज भी जाते हैं और आज सुबह भी गए थे। क्यों गए थे ना?
ठीक है। सर, हमें ये भी पता चला है कि आपको महिला और बाल विकास मंत्रालय भी मिलने वाला है।
बेटा, मन में एक और लड्डू फूटा।
महिला विकास में तो हम पर्सनली ध्यान देंगे, और रहा सवाल बाल विकास का, अगर वो भी हम करने लगे तो गड्ढे में गिरे प्रिंस की रिपोर्ट तुम कैसे निकालोगी?
सर, you're so genius.
वेरी जीनियस।
है राष्ट्र एक, कर्म एक, मर्म एक है, पूजा करो, पढ़ो नमाज, धर्म एक है। हम कोटि कोटि हैं मनुष्य स्वराज के, बदनाम हो अगर स्वराज तो शर्म एक है, तो शर्म एक है। क्या अब हमारे पास मिसाल के तौर पर कोई ऐसा नेता ना बचा जिस पे देश भरोसा कर सके? शायद।
मैं छवि राजावत, जयपुर से 60 किलोमीटर दूर सोडा गांव की सरपंच हूँ। मैंने दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से पढ़ाई करने के बाद पुणे से MBA भी किया है और एयरटेल और टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में भी काम किया है। पर अपने गांव के बिगड़ते हालातों को सुधारने के लिए किसी को तो आगे आना ही था, तो फिर मैं क्यों नहीं? आज गांव में पीने के लिए साफ पानी नहीं है, बीमारियों का इलाज नहीं है, लोगों के लिए रोजगार नहीं है। ऐसे में हमारा एक छोटा सा कदम, दोस्तों सिर्फ एक छोटा सा कदम उन लोगों की जिंदगी बदल सकता है। भारत एक युवा देश है, अगर हम आगे बढ़कर अपने देश के लिए कुछ नहीं करेंगे तो कौन आएगा कुछ करने? कोई भी देश महान नहीं होता है, उसे महान बनाना पड़ता है। ये मत सोचो कि देश ने तुम्हें क्या दिया, ये सोचो कि तुमने देश के लिए क्या दिया।
लोगों की बढ़ती आत्म केंद्रियता, शून्य होते मानवीय मूल्यों को देख के तो मन में बस यही ख्याल आता है, वतन की फिक्र का रहनादा, मुसीबत आने वाली है। तेरी बर्बादियों के मशवरे हैं आसमानों में, न संभलोगे तो मिट जाओगे। तेरी दास्तां तक भी न होगी दास्तानों में, तेरी दास्तां तक भी न होगी दास्तानों में। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Round of applause.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम सस्ती कुमार है। मैं कक्षा 1 में पढ़ता हूँ। मेरे कविता का शिक्षक है प्यारा भारत। प्लीज हमारी कविता ध्यान से सुनिएगा। प्यारा भारत हमारा भारत, सारे जग से न्यारा भारत, पढ़ लिख कर तुम नाम कमाओ, कर दो फिर कुछ यारा भारत। गांधी गौतम की ये धरती, भगत सिंह का दुलारा भारत, अनेक धर्म के लोग आए फिर भी एक हमारा भारत। इस बगिया के फूल तुम ही हो, तुमसे लगता प्यारा भारत।
I'd like to thank all the faculty members for being here. Everybody is requested to stay here for the sweet distribution. Thank you.
Yes, sir. You are getting all tidbits and the information that will make you a better first year and also a better individual and a better professional. Okay? Hang around.
ये ले ले। तू उसके लिए तो हाथ आगे कर यार।
Good morning to all. Today we have our Estate Manager Colonel MJS Pathania sir with us. He will give us a brief introduction about his work and college administration. Okay, I would like to invite Colonel MJS Pathania sir to come over the stage.
A very good morning to all of you. At the outset, I, on behalf of my entire administration team, welcome you and wish you all a very professionally satisfying, administratively and professionally enriching, administratively and socially satisfying stay in your campus. I am sure you all would make the best of this very pristine and salubrious campus that we have here at LNM IIT. Before I start about the gamut of administration that we have on this campus, I'll just give a brief introduction about my own self. Next slide. Is there somebody? Partner? कुर्सी लेके बैठ जाए. Okay, basically, I wish to tell you that my aim or my role out here is that of an enabler or a facilitator to ensure that you don't have to look back for any of your administrative or other requirements and focus on the main job that your parents or guardians have sent you to here. That is to focus on your studies and any other extracurricular activity or hobbies that you wish to pursue. I have come here. I joined this institute on 23rd of July last year, and it's been almost a year plus now. After having served for 27 years in the Indian Army, and now I am here to serve you people, to meet all your administrative and any other requirement. I live on the campus and I'm available 24/7 for any of your requirements or problems. Next. This is the broad hierarchy, as you see, that the estate manager's domain encompasses. Basically, I have a project manager who is Shri Madhusudan Purohit. His primary task is to look into all the maintenance activities, starting from your lighting, to plumbing, to running of this sewage treatment plant, the water treatment plant, this electric substation, and your routine maintenance like your ROs, your air conditioners, your ducting, so on and so forth. Besides that, we have two engineers who support him in both civil side, that is Shri Dinesh Purohit, and on the electrical side, that is Shri Abhijit Galav. And below, and we have a storekeeper, Shri Govind Chandwani, who takes care of all store and manages all the labor and other resources that come onto our campus for their day-to-day sustenance and definitely the sustenance of all of us. And I wish to tell you that we have a resident medical officer on campus, Dr. Chand Singh Panwar. He would be addressing you separately. He is alumni of Sawai Man Singh Medical College here at Jaipur, an outstanding doctor, and you must make best of his availability and the medical setup we have out here, so that your health remains okay and you are always in a good state of robust health and mind to pursue your own studies and other interests that you wish to pursue. Next. These are some of the facilities that are available to us 24/7 on the campus all throughout the days. Basically transport. We have around minimum 9 trips, to and fro trips from here to Ajmeri Gate, RBI or Raja Park being made daily. It's very warm here. Can you switch on the AC please? Govind? Anyway, we'll continue with this. The aim is that we provide you an outlet in the town. We understand we are around 12 to 14 kilometers away from the hub of the city. So in order to give you an access to town, whether you want to go to the railway station, airport, market, Ajmeri Gate or anywhere, we give you an outlet. From there you can hire a local bus, an auto or taxi or anything, and thereafter facilitate whatever you wish to do. We have the best companies in this field as far as housekeeping is concerned. Our aim is that if the surroundings are clean, the mind also remains clean, and then you pursue your interests to the best of your capabilities. We have a very vibrant security setup. I will request you all to cooperate with them when they ask you for your identity card or any such thing, because in today's world you cannot take anybody on his or her face value. So you got to cooperate with them and ensure our campus remains absolutely secure, safe for all of us to live our life to the best of our capability. You've seen our campus. It's a salubrious, green, 100-acre campus. We take a lot of pride in maintaining the green and the clean cover of campus. Everybody has to cooperate. It is not the responsibilities of these 24 or 30 odd people who we hired to maintain our garden and the lawns. But everybody, there are dustbins at all places. Don't litter the campus. keep things, throw them only at the places they are supposed to be disposed. Next. We have created a green walking trail. Those who are interested in walking, jogging, those who are health or fitness freak, they must make use of these facilities. We all come from towns where we are living in flats, where we hardly find this kind of open areas. Make the best of it, because you may not get it 4 years down the lane when you pass out from this institute. So whatever is there, make the best of it. I am sure you will enjoy every bit of it. We have a shopping complex. We have all these facilities I have shown you. Laundry is there. The grocery shop to meet the domestic or the daily requirements is under progress. And the rest of them are as highlighted on the slide. Next. Yes, this is my favorite subject. Every student must pursue some hobby or sport. Share academics. Let me tell you first of all, I am a father who has 2 children, a son and a daughter of your age. And having served for 27 years in the army and at the highest level in the country, I know for one thing, academics can take you only 50%. The balance 50% of your personality encompasses all these issues. It is how you dress up, how you appear, how physically fit you are, how your communication skills are, how you conduct yourself, how your mannerisms are. So, this is the time for you all to learn all these things. Do not hesitate. English is not our mother tongue. It is a foreign language for all of us. But when we go out, it has its own importance. You may call it nuisance. But the fact of the matter is, it is the language that binds the entire nation. So take pride. You have to improve your communication skills, because that is something that will place you higher than your counterpart who is poorer in communication skill vis-a-vis you. So while you are here on the campus, enjoy the sports, enjoy other facilities. At the same time, learn all these skills, because 4 years down the lane, I am very confident they will be very, very helpful to you. We have the best of indoors, the place where you are sitting, outstanding badminton courts. There is a table tennis, there is a squash court, 2 outstanding basketball courts which are floodlit, a cricket stadium, a football stadium, a volleyball court, and very wonderful gym and everything for you to pursue. The fact is, I also feel saddened at times. The footfalls at these places, as I carried out a survey last year, is not more than 20%. I wish this is at least 50%, because this kind of facilities you will not get anywhere. This is the true value for money. Kindly, it's my request, make the best of it. You don't have to be a star player. You go yourself, and once you get onto the grill, you'll automatically start enjoying. You see, games and sports are something that, and the camaraderie or the universal brotherhood or esprit de corps that is built on a sports stadium is never built anywhere. It's next only